Are you tired of mopping your floors with dirty water, never getting them deeply clean? Then you'll love the simplicity of the BISSELL Steam Mop Select, with its 100% natural steam cleaning power and its array of great features. The Steam Mop Select is designed to clean sealed hard flooring, such as ceramic tile, vinyl, marble, stone, and sealed hardwood floors. Simply add water, plug in, and in 30 seconds, you're ready to clean. Steam is the perfect way to give your home a deep down clean. The Steam Mop Select is 100% chemical-free and kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria, so you can feel at ease knowing your floor surfaces are as clean as they can be. With an easy-to-squeeze trigger, the Steam Mop Select applies steam on demand to allow you to sanitize where and when you need. This leaves your floors clean and virtually dry after each pass. The triangular maneuverable head reaches tight spots with ease, and the washable microfiber mop pads are safe for hard surfaces. They're also reusable. Simply machine wash and dry, and they're ready to use again. Microban product protection has been built into the pads, preventing the growth of odor-causing bacteria, keeping your pads fresher for longer. Harness the power of pure, clean, sanitizing steam with the BISSELL Steam Mop Select.